Looks good. Okay guys, I got it loaded on the U-Haul trailer. It just does fit. So you gotta run it all the way up to here. Take that thing, put it over the wheel, ratchet it down. You have 1 inch of clearance passing over a new bumper. Now granted, I don't have the lower valance on, so I don't know how much closer that's gonna get. Pretty sure it's gonna be about the same. Then this thing drops down so that you can open the door, and you got about 2.5, 3 inches of clearance right there. So that works out. The ramps don't really latch. I didn't like the idea of that, but you are driving up on them. Yeah, this one almost fell off. I knew I felt it because oh yeah. The trailer kept lunging forward as I was riding up on it. That would have been a doozy if that would have fell out of there. But other than that, I got it on there, so we'll strap it down and bring it to Tesla New Orleans. There it is. Got it dropped off. Take care of her. See y'all later. We're back. Picking up my Model 3. Tesla says it's finished. I'll load it up on the U-Haul and bring her home. Right here. Pull her up here and I'll load it up. Alright, so we got the car back from Tesla New Orleans. Bring it to my buddy's shop, JD. We're gonna get on the lift and take a look underneath and make sure there's nothing we missed. And I'm gonna put those lower valance and wheel well covers on. Alright, let's take a look at it. Alright Matt, we ready to lift it up? It's the mechanic over here. We'll check on the other side.
Take it to the top side, doesn't matter.
Yep, doing good, doing good. Forgot the pucks, but hey, you know. Put those fender liners on. Yeah. Other than those bar links being a little rusty, I mean, and then, I mean, I might have to slightly bend this piece. Cause that was the other thing. Well, no, this one's missing the nut. Is that one missing the nut too? Oh, hell. Well, we could probably do a nut and bolt or something for that. But, that's all minor stuff, you know? Okay. I was wondering about that battery pack, you know? You can see where the skid come down. You got a little scratch, you know? Luckily. Yep, a little scratch. That's what I was wondering about, what it would be like underneath. And I want to look at this rear end. So I'm missing that cover. It gotten torn off, probably from the skid. And it looks like it did because it come through right here. Yep. Yeah, more dirt than there is a scratch. So, pretty good shape. Alright, let's get those valances on. Alright, we got the front valance on. That was a little difficult. You had to push real hard on the back side right here, because otherwise this would flex up and push the bumper piece out of the way, the little tab. So once we pushed up real hard right here, we could push it in. So all those are in. Looks good. Valance cover on. This is the Aero Shield, right? This is the valance or something like that. But anyway, we were able to Some of the clips were missing. Maybe use a little 10mm clip, put it over that, put the screw in, done. Found here, this is a 15mm bolt. You gotta take that back out and then bolt it to here, but there's not much meat holding that. Whatever, that's the way it's designed. I wish they'd have gave me the plastic one for here. This is the old style. It's like a fiber board. You can basically chip it away. Hopefully it won't come off. All right.
This is the final step.
It's the final step.
Fixing.
Matt's done working on this car, man.
Now we need to wax it.
I got the overexposure on this thing. Hold on, let me turn you down a little bit. There we go. It's all whited out.
This is the final step.
I gotta give it a wax job, you know?
Then we're gonna race and see who wins.
All right, we're not gonna listen to all this racking mess. Okay, so here it is. Put it out in the backyard so you can see everything. Looks good. Mr. Jeremy did a epic job on that paint. I mean, you look down that line, you can't see anything. That looks good back here. I'm gonna change out those floor mats too. Got the ones from EV Tuning, your boy Rich. And I got that scratch pillar over there. I'm gonna probably change out. From what I heard, it's fairly cheap, but I'm not worried about it right now. And then here's the cover I gotta put on the airbag down here. No big deal. They got this one in, it's fixed. Little lights on there. But yeah, everything came out great. But yeah, drives perfect. Looks almost new. I mean, still got little stuff like this, little paint chip right there that I gotta get fixed. But heck with that. Don't sweat the small stuff. Just look at the car for what it is. Beautiful. All right. Yeah, they're looking good. Fits in there nice and snug. Keep the dirt out. All right, let's see what this big back seat one looks like. There it is. Looks good. Definitely gonna stop all the mess. Thanks, EV Tuning. And Rich, my boy. The moment of truth.
Go ahead.
Will it supercharge?
Oh, yeah.
We are gonna find out. For all you haters out there. There we are. All right, let's see what it does. It's blue. Blue, blue, blue. Come on, green, go. Green means go. It's good. Here we go with the ramp up, boys. Charging at Alright, so we literally just went and got some burgers, just made it back, and we're at 90%.
Ketchup mustard?
And shut her down. Whew, that sucker's hot. Good to go. All the haters want to hate. Thank you. that cool?